Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. Let me tell you, this potato salad recipe is going to be my go-to recipe from now on. It is absolutely delicious. I found this recipe. It was posted in Pressure Cooking with Doug Facebook group. I try to go back to find her name so I can mention her, and I cannot find it. I am so sorry, but whoever you are, thank you so much for sharing this, because like I said, this is going to be my go-to for potato salad from now on. The pressure cooker I'm going to be using is a 6-quart Cosori. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we are going to add 1.5 cups of water. I'm going to go ahead and put in our steam basket. I have 6 medium-sized potatoes that I cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm using red potatoes. Go ahead and use your favorite potato. And then go ahead and put it into our steam basket. And I have 4 large eggs that I'm just going to place on top. Okay, put our lid on top, lock her up. I have our pressure on lock position. Okay, we want to set this for 4 minutes on high pressure. I'm going to go ahead and hit the manual button, pressure temp, then the plus sign because we want to get it to high pressure. Now we want our cook time at 4 minutes. I'm going to hit cook time, then minus until and again I have my pressure locked. Now we are ready to hit the start button. Soon as this is done, I'm going to do a quick release, get the eggs out into an ice bath. Okay, while we're waiting for our potatoes and eggs get done, let's go ahead and make our dressing. I have 1 cup of mayo. This next ingredient is what caught my eye, and I was like, I'm going to have to make this. It's 1 tablespoon of dill pickle juice. One tablespoon of mustard. I have some chopped onion here. The recipe calls for 1/4 of a cup. I have more than that. This recipe does not call for this, but I'm going to add some dill relish. Probably about a tablespoon. Parsley flakes, I do not have fresh, so I'm just going to go ahead and use dry. That's probably about a tablespoon or so also. All we need is salt and pepper to taste. Go ahead and mix that all up. I love my spurtles. I got these off QVC. I use them all the time. Okay, we are done with our dressing. While I'm waiting for our potatoes and eggs, I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the fridge. Okay, our time is up. I'm going to give this a quick release. Now I'm going to get our eggs out into our ice bath. Got my potatoes here into my bowl. I'm going to let these cool off some. Okay, my eggs are cooled, and I'm going to peel one of these. I'm anxious to see how easy they are to peel. I have never done eggs before in the pressure cooker. Although I have done them in the air fryer, they turned out perfect, and they are very easy to peel. seems like these are going to be easy too. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this open and see what we got. Oh, nice. If it were up to me, I would not add eggs into this, but I guess, you know, potato salad does have eggs. I have an egg sensitivity. They're okay if they're in cake or cookies. Pretty much other than that, it makes me nauseated. So I'm going to go ahead and chop these up real good. I took my dressing out of the fridge. I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped eggs to it. Okay, forgot to turn on my camera. My potatoes are cooled. I'm going to go ahead and add our dressing now. I'm going to go ahead and toss our dressing into our potatoes. Well, I was trying to find the perfect dish to put my potato salad in. It's either too big or too small, so this is just going to have to do. I'm going to go ahead and spread this out evenly. Clean up the side with a paper towel. I'm going to go ahead and add some slices of hard-boiled egg for decoration. That little fella doesn't have a yolk. Okay, now I'm going to sprinkle some paprika over the top. And there is our potato salad. I got the potato salad plated up. I am going to take a bite for you all. I'm just going to try not to get a chunk of egg. That is really good. I wish I could eat this. I don't want to chill this well before serving, at least a good hour. I think the longer the better.